Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss a video. I hope you enjoy.
Oh, Chaton. I'm glad I found you when I did. You're pretty much my only friend now.
And I'm so happy to have met you, Princess. I want to tell you how special you are. And what an amazing person you are. How loving, caring.
Chat, you dork.
I never want to see you sad. I want to make you happy. I want to tell you in person, as my true self, that I love you. Would have been better if the second he kissed her back, she turned into a cat, but that's just my opinion. And then it's a never-ending loop of cat-human transformations.